While using breath and position are great ways to stimulate your vagus nerve and your relaxation response, you can also stimulate it with pressure by using the Coregeous Ball against the side of your neck. This is one of the easiest windows, one of the easiest doorways to the relaxation response. So you'll take the Coregeous Ball and you'll place it just below your ear and spin it so that you capture soft tissues that line the front of your neck, go all the way across to the other side like you're giving yourself a shave. So you're basically moving from just below the ear to just below the ear and crossing across that midline. Now, as you cross across the midline, of course, you are going to cross over these tubes, the trachea and the esophagus, the hyoid bone, your pharynx, larynx. That's okay. These tissues, as you approximate them, as you get close to them, might be a little more sensitive, so lighten your pressure and then increase the pressure once you're back again into that deeper muscle layer. So as the ball rings and twists, as you pivot from side to side, you're going to be moving a very famous muscle called the platysma, which is a muscle that's embedded in the superficial fascia in the front of your neck, which is the muscle that, if you go like this, connects your jaw across your neck down to your collarbone and your chest. Also, as the ball squinches in a little bit more deeply, you're going to be getting this popper muscle, the sternocleidomastoid, which is a neck flexor, neck rotator. Also deeper to that is the scalenes that connect your first and second ribs to the neck. These are muscles that are overused in stress respiration. So you're massaging all those muscles, getting them to relax, but the pressure of the ball swishing from side to side, continuously going into this lateral neck area, is pressing into your carotid artery and the carotid sheath. And essentially what that's doing is applying pressures to the area of the carotid, this big artery that's coming up from your heart, into something called the carotid sinus. And the carotid sinus is innervated by the vagus nerve, and when that is pressurized, it's going to actually slow down your heart rate, slow down your breath pace, and induce the relaxation response. So once you lower the Coregeous Ball, after you've done that for a couple of minutes, yes, it is like angels singing. You'll feel this warmth sort of emerging from your neck and throat, and then a few seconds later, you might also feel your facial muscles softening, and you develop the countenance of an angel, because those fascial tissues, of course, are connected to the fascial tissues of the muscles of your face, but that vagus response, that relaxation response, also directly impacts the muscles of the face, neck, and head. So you might even notice that you can see more clearly or even hear more clearly after you do this. So this is a great way, of course, not only to make your neck anew, but also to have a new outlook on your day.